Let's face it, screen recordings don't always go as planned. The good news is, with Camtasia's editing tools, they don't have to. In this two-part series, I'll show you 6 editing techniques that you can use to minimize re-records and edit video more efficiently. Let's get started. 1. Trim and split media. If you've watched a few of our other tutorials, you may already know how to trim media. What you may not realize is that trimming actually crops the media instead of deleting it. So if you have to backtrack, hover over the edge, drag it back out, and voila, your clip is restored. If you want to trim multiple clips at the same time, select them, hover over the edge of one, and drag. To split a clip into 2 parts, select the appropriate clip or clips, place the playhead where you want to make the split, and click the split button. You can also use the S hotkey on Windows or Command-T on Mac to split media on the timeline. Splitting clips allows you to isolate sections of your video or audio for further editing. To split media on all of your tracks and move them at the same time, hold the Shift key and drag the playhead. This is called a ripple split, and it's great for when you need to add some content to the middle of a video, or if you forgot to leave room for an intro. 2. Stitching. Splitting is great for breaking clips apart, but what if you want to bring those clips back together? Enter stitching. Stitching combines clips so they can be selected, moved, and edited as one. It's important to note that only clips from the same piece of media can be stitched together. For example, I can stitch these clips together because they're from the same original piece of media. However, I can't stitch these two together because they're from different pieces of media. To stitch media, select the clips you want to stitch together, then right-click and choose Stitch Selected Media. Stitched media share the same visual properties, and any animations and effects will span both clips. For example, if I apply a zooming animation at the beginning of this clip, it will remain zoomed across the stitched clip. Or better yet, I can make the animation span the stitch, which is impossible if the clips are not stitched together. Another way to stitch media is to select part of a clip and click Cut. This cuts out the selected media and stitches the 2 parts together. To unstitch media, right-click on the stitch and choose Unstitch. This splits the media into 2 parts. 3. Ripple move. Oftentimes during editing, you need to move all of the clips on a track at once. While you could select all the clips and then drag them, it's more efficient to hold Shift and drag. This is called a ripple move, and it moves all of the media to the right of a clip that's on the same track. You can also ripple move media on multiple tracks. Select a clip on each track, and then hold the Shift key while simultaneously dragging. To ripple move on Mac, click and hold on a clip, and hold Command on your keyboard, then drag. Well, that's the first 3 techniques to help you edit more efficiently. For the next 3, check out Editing in Depth Part 2 on our tutorial page. Thanks for watching.